is well known in the hair restoration world that everything in hair, medications, treatments, and even surgery, takes about a year to show its full effect. Although your hair will start growing once the grafts become a permanent part of you around 10 days post-op, you'll see the full results at your 1-year post-op mark. That's why we'd love for you to come back to the clinic for your 1-year visit. During this appointment, we'll assess your results, take before and after photos, and celebrate your new hair. If needed, we can also plan for any additional steps to achieve your ideal outcome. Please don't skip this step. We look forward to seeing you in person, admiring your new hair, and making sure everything turned out beautifully. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in our next video.